In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the date format in Google Sheets. This is a quick and easy process, taking just 5 minutes. So, without further ado, let's dive right into it. First, you need to open a Google Sheet. If you don't have one already, you can easily create a new spreadsheet by heading over to Google Sheets through your browser. Once you have your Google Sheet open, navigate to the cells that contain the dates you want to change. Next, it's time to select and highlight the date or dates that need reformatting. You can do this by clicking on the cell, or if you need to change multiple dates across a range, click and drag over those cells to select them all. Now, with your desired cells highlighted, head over to the top toolbar and click on the Format menu. This option is key to accessing all the customization settings for your data. Once you click on Format, a drop-down will appear. You'll want to hover over the Number option, which will prompt a secondary menu to show up. This section allows you to modify how various types of data, like numbers, currencies, and dates, are displayed in your sheet. Within this secondary menu, go ahead and click on Date. This will apply a default date format to your selected cells. However, if you need a more specific format, we've got a further step for you. To explore advanced date formatting, click on More Formats after returning to that same drop-down menu. More Formats unveils additional customization options to better suit your needs. Select Custom Date and Time from the next series of options. This is where you'll be able to customize the format precisely as you desire. Feel free to scroll through the predefined options, or you can even construct your own custom configuration by arranging year, month, and day formats according to your preferences. Once you've settled on a format that fits your needs, make sure to click the Apply button. This will finalize your choice, and you should see your changes immediately reflected in the selected cells in your sheet. If you're working with extensive data and need to process queries related to dates, consider leveraging Google Sheets' powerful query functions. For this, select any cell, ideally outside your primary dataset, and enter a query function to manage or analyze your data further. And there you have it. Changing date formats in Google Sheets is not only straightforward, but also allows for extensive customization to fit your project requirements. I hope you found this tutorial clear and helpful. Make sure to practice these steps to become adept at managing your data in Google Sheets more efficiently. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to reach out with any questions or tips on what you'd like to learn next.